In this video, I'll be comparing the Apple Pencil USB Type-C to the Apple Pencil 2. Which one of these should you get and what are the differences and similarities? The first thing you need to know is that these are not compatible with the same iPads. I'll put on the screen right now the compatibility list for these two Apple Pencil. Some iPads are compatible with both of them, while some other ones are only compatible with one of them. So just check the list that is on the screen. For this video, I'll be using my iPad Air 6th generation that unfortunately is not compatible with the Apple Pencil 2 that I have used with my iPad Air 5th generation. So the first difference here is that the Apple Pencil USB Type-C is not pressure sensitive. So let's say I'm taking this marker. Well, even if I'm pressing harder right now on the screen, that right now, well, you won't see any difference. While if I would have used the Apple Pencil 2, the harder I press on the screen, you'll see a difference. Just like if you take a regular marker and you press harder on a piece of paper and then lighter, you're going to see a difference. One side will look more faded than the other one. So that's a big difference over here. If you're drawing, for example, you'll be able to be more precise using the Apple Pencil 2. Another difference is the pairing method. If you want to use the Apple Pencil USB Type-C, the only way to pair it with your iPad is to actually get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable that you connect over here, and you connect the other end to your iPad. Then you can remove the cable and start using the pencil. This is how you pair it. With the Apple Pencil 2, if you have a compatible iPad, again, this one is not, but the only thing you need to do is to put it where there's a magnetic strip on the top here. You just need to stick it there and it will connect and pair automatically with your iPad without you to having to do anything else. So it's much more convenient to pair the Apple Pencil 2 than the USB Type-C one. Another feature that the Apple Pencil 2 has that the USB Type-C does not is the ability to double tap on this section of the pen to be able to switch from a pencil to an eraser. So when you're drawing, if you double tap, you'll be able to switch to eraser without having to touch the screen like I did right now. And once you're done erasing, double tap again and it will switch back to your pencil. This is again a just more convenient way to draw or even to write, since you don't have to type the eraser every time you make a mistake. And finally, the last differences between these two, and that's a small one, but some people will appreciate, is that with the Apple Pencil 2, you're able to use the free engraving. So when you get it from the Apple website, you'll be able to engrave whatever you want on it for free. While this one, you won't be able to do so. So in my opinion, obviously, it's a fact, the Apple Pencil 2 is better than the Apple Pencil USB Type-C since it has more features. But what if you have an iPad that is not compatible with the Apple Pencil 2 and you still want to have a lot of features and more than what the USB Type-C has to offer? Well, in this case, you will need to get the Apple Pencil Pro. If you have other differences that I didn't talk in this video that are between these two devices, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.